everybody. Welcome back to Financial Trading Basics Part 49. So as you can see on this one, I have figured out how to block out my account number, and I wanted to show you my terminal setup. Like I said, currently not trading actively, just 'cause I have no cash flow. As soon as I have cash flow, like it's been for the past 7 to 8 years, I will be doing live trading just like this. So I don't care if you'll see my balances or whatnot. Someone will be able to see my account number. It's kind of flashed on one of my poker tournaments, but I just hope nothing happens. But anyway, I just wanted to walk you through my trading terminal and how I've traded throughout again, this is part 49, so this is typically the setups that I use. So I know we're on some random stock right now, San. Let's go. What's moving today? I don't know. Let's check our stocktwits.com and just go to something moving. HHRS. And so I typically follow the financial markets if I'm trading. Again, I still watch CNBC all day. For what reason, I'm not exactly sure. What is this? Is this halted or what's going on here? But my typical thing for a day trade, momentum day trade, is I'm typically writing at a 5-day, 3-minute candle chart. Is typically what I'm looking at. So you have here, obviously this is not moving. What is this thing? Just go to Apple. So Apple. So typically, what I'll do if something comes out with momentum on a given day, I will again know pretty much what's going on throughout the entire market. Wait for a big momentum move one way or another. Check pretty much. I don't really check like past probably a year or 3-year chart at all. So here we have a daily, 1 year, 1 day, go up to 3 years, 3 weeks, just to get the overall look. But really, for a momentum day trade, you're looking in the past, couple minutes to 3 to 5 days maybe. Again, like I said, something that appreciates really high pre-market, I'm probably going to look to short after the open right around 10:17 Brick Squad Monopoly time frame. But look, literally right around 10:16, 10:17 is typically when the morning move from 9:30 is reverses. And so I always have an idea of what the general market is doing behind you. Like right now today, it's like everyone's expecting recession, and now we're like, are we going to have a recession? And again, still we really haven't had a comeback from COVID bounce back yet at all, for at least not for China. And so again, a lot of consumers over there. But so it's like having, again, the general understanding of your market prospectus always behind you, and then day trading momentum stocks just with a stop loss on a risk reward. And like I said, I have $2,300 in free cash, account value about $24,000. I've depreciated probably, I don't know, about $12,000 on my MNMD position. Have not changed since then. I have my limit sells at double on Carnival Cruise Line or Norwegian Cruise Line, and ALKM, just a penny stock I have, just $800 in or whatever. So you can see year to date, I'm down about $12,000. After I had a good year 2 years ago or whatever. But again, it's just fucking joke. I can't trade meaningfully without cash flow. But so there we have that. Over here I have my watch list, the Trader TV, which you can turn on CNBC or like educational things. There's a little Thinkorswim tutorial. Over here you can see news, and you can modify the setup pretty well. And then over here on trade, this is where you place your orders. This is typically what I have up here: buy market, sell market, join the bid, join the ask, call, flatten, reverse, and cancel. Don't really reverse. Typically reversing if you're momentum day trading and you have a short position and from 9:30 to 10:15 and you think the washouts happen and you want to try to reverse it, you'd click that button. It would go in as a market order as well. And so like my ALKM, and I have 800 some odd dollars here in this penny stock. But just limit sells at twice my buy-in price, and then if it hits that, then I just have some free shares, let it ride, and then I just don't care about it whatsoever at all. Again, trying to build a basket of companies where if you hit a double or triple, or even if you appreciate 30-40%, you take out your cost basis, maybe make 10-15% profit, then you just have free shares of a company. Because again, it's like we haven't had a GameStop type of just random extreme appreciation. But if you're just holding some shares and something like that happens, and then you rip off $50 million, it's like it's better to do that than secure another 10 grand of profit or something. So that is always how I'm approaching my trading. Again, I haven't been trading actively pretty much all this year. But another one is Norwegian Cruise Line. Again, just travel leisure. I substantially will think will come back. And so, but besides that, if I don't have a macro perspective over 6 months, pretty much 6 months to 2 years, then it's just pretty much momentum day trades, which is I just haven't been doing, which I will live stream if I ever get to make choices in my own life for myself, which doesn't seem likely before the age of 40 or ever, really ever. People just don't change their behavior. So anything else for here? Scan. So typically, again, if something pops up on the momentum, I might not even know the share structure. But if I'm looking for an investment, typically what I'll do, go here to the Analyze tool. Well, first of all, we're under trade. We have Active Trader. We have Pairs Trader, which I think is, I don't even have that set up, but just Forex probably. Pairs. What are we pairing here? S&P. I think just comparing different charts side by side. And again, you can have, and this is level 2 over here. Well, I guess this is level 2 over here, and this is kind of your order or your volume. We also have the volume bars down here, but this is just the setup that I have. So this is your level 2s down here. You can see the bids, the asks. The spread is, again, the difference between the two. But I'll get, and then you have your futures traders, and this is where you can trade futures on any commodity or a lot of different things. Again, have not done anything. Would love to do currency trading versus futures trading, or just commodities versus currencies. Still think that would be the easiest, most large-scale macro trend to trade as opposed to stock equity. Forex trader, that's your Forex, your spot pairs. And again, we have euro to US dollar, so that's 0.106. Well, I'm not used to reading it off here, but whatever the list pair is, that's how many. If it's pesos, dollars to pesos, it'll say $1 US to the spot pair, but I don't know, 23 Mexican pesos or something. And so, again, I just haven't executed enough trades on here just to confidently walk through it, but that's what the spot pairs are. And then all products, typically this is where you get, what is going on here? Oh, I need to put a thing to Apple again. But this is where you get your option spreads. I think it should be. Apple has no instruments. Is there 2 A's in there? Apple certainly has options. There we go. So now and then all products here, you get your, don't know if you really get all products under here, but all the options. You get your option spread. You have your weeklies. I don't really care if it's called a weekly or not a weekly. It just how much time to the expiration date and what's the strike. So here again, you have your calls for 3rd of March 23. Where's the strike prices on here? Strikes, and you can choose different amount of strikes. Let's click all. It's probably low. But again, then you just line up something. Okay, I think it's going to be at this price. Here's how much I'm willing to risk, and then this is where you place your options trades as well. So, just wanted to give you a quick video of me walking through my terminal setup, because this is how I fielded trades throughout my entire series. So, invalid strike quantity. So, again, like I said, about 200,000 in cash. Could deposit some more money and try to day trade. I don't really want to. I just want to budget my money and do scientific research. But I would trade, like I said, I'd trade for educational content. Like I said, I would trade if I have cash flow. I'm just so used to being a scapegoat. I'm just so used to not having constitutional rights. Or I'm over here I'd rather do scientific research. I'd rather do this. I just want to do something. I want to do it all. Right? If I had cash flow, I could easily place trades. If I had any risk tolerance whatsoever, and it'd be a video, 3 to 5 videos a week. So I want to make content, and people are just ruining my ability to because of ongoing criminal activity. But I did want to give you a quick video of my stock setup, and then I'm going to let's just stop the video here, and then I'm going to do a video about the resume that I've put out there, trying to get see if I can get any responses from some mid-level manager, and the answer is obviously no. So thank you for watching part 49 of Financial Trading Basics. Call this stock terminal setup, but this is how I look at things. And if I wasn't going to put this as a video, this would be on. You're always getting the market background. Again, most stocks will trade with the markets on any given day, even if you have a macro perspective. And then, like I said, if you want to go long on something, and then you have a day where the whole market washes out, probably be a good time to buy the specific stock you want. Conversely, what do I think about the market actually right now? Like again, like I said, recession doesn't mean anything to me. The word doesn't mean anything to me. Decreasing GDP by 10% doesn't mean anything to me. Life quality matters from the consumer perspective. And so I still think we have ways to go in terms of sentiment rebounding, still from COVID. And again, we still have to publish science. Like there still has to be a big fallout from unifying the natural sciences, which would boost the markets quite a bit. But as long as we never publish science and we never have to cross that bridge where people actually get happier, or actually have more opportunities, or at least I can have my money. So just wanted to make a quick video of my stock terminal setup. So thank you for watching, and I will be recording another video right now going over my resume. See you on the next one.